back to my YouTube channel. I missed you so much guys, so I just thought of making another video. Today I'll do a blue smoky night makeup look. So if you want to know how I do this, please keep watching. Well, I already have moisturized and prepped my skin, and now I'll use the foundation. I'm using the MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation in the shade NC40. Well, I'm just blending the foundation all over my face. And now I'm using the damp makeup sponge. Well, now I'll use the concealer from Maybelline over my eyelids. To cover the dark circles, and on the bridge of my nose, on my forehead a little bit, and on my chin. Now I'll blend the concealer. Now I'm blending the concealer with the help of the makeup sponge. Now I'll use the Makeup Revolution banana powder to bake my face. I'm just mattifying the areas where I applied the concealer. And now I will contour my face. Contouring my nose. I'm applying the powder to mattify the skin. Just blending all the products to make it look more natural. Now I'll use the eyebrow pencil to make my eyebrows thicker. Done my eyebrows, and now I'll do the eye makeup, the Sultry blue smoky eye. I'm gonna use the shade that is close to my skin tone. I'm gonna use the blue shade. I'm just trying to intensify the color. you have to make sure you blend the eyeshadow really well. I will use the blue glitter shade. Now I'll be wearing the eyeliner, the wing eyeliner. Now I'm using the kohl pencil. Now I will use the blue shade on my lower lash line. Now I will use the mascara. Now I'll be using the highlighter. Applying the blush. Now I'm gonna apply the lipstick. Well, I'm gonna use two shades here. One is Miss Clear lipstick in the shade 58, and the other one is NYX lipstick in the shade Cannes. This is the NYX one. Now I will use the Miss Clear lipstick. Now I will highlight the inner corners of my eyes. So this is the final look. this video, make sure you subscribe my channel, like this video and share it with your friends. And I will meet you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye bye. Take care.